So cute, the little lad. What does lad mean?
Small boy. Small boy.
I'm having hiccups because of Atticus. I was laughing to his singing.
Oo nga. Ay, oo nga, no. Dapat kayang kaya makanyan.
Ganyan lang.
Show tayo.
Lagay rin ng matas.
Oo. O, diba ang ganda, oh. Ganyan. Puro bato-bato. Tapos, ang ganda ng ano, oh. Ang ganda ng mga bulaklak. Look at these flowers. Dito tayo sa ano, estuary. We're going to the estuary. Mga kiddos. Enjoy sila, oh. Ano yan? Steel moon, eh? Bakal?
Pero ang daming nilagay.
Wow.
Nakagastor lang guys.
Wow. Sobra matatag yan.
Puti for you.
Wow, sweet naman. Thank you, ate. Ah, diba? Trail. Tayo dito sa trail. Yan ang estuary. Tayo sa estuary.
There's rattlesnakes here somewhere, I'm pretty sure.
Have you seen rattlesnakes?
No, but there's a caution sign and plus
what's
Mommy's
that?
birdie.
I can hear something.
The
Oh, so these are what we are going to see. Ayan, oh. Oh, dito tayo. Ayan, oh. Daming mga cacti. Beautiful flowers. Ayan, ang lalaki ng mga... Oh, tayo punta. Imagine, oh, nung madaming bulaklak yan. Ang ganda. Wow! 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 Oh, thank you! Sweet naman ng baby boy. A big boy. Ayan, mga bulaklak. Ayan. Ayun ang view. Nice. Kakaba na pala. May gaya ka rin, no? Wow! Huh? Oh, flowers.
Sabi na rito. Agalakin.
Oo. Ayun,
Ayun
eh. Ah, parang reclaimed na yan, na? Gusto ya ba? Oli naman. Land ya talaga. Oh. Na-develop na talaga. No?
Ang Boracay.
Yeah.
Don't stay on the clear path.
Wow, thank you. Sweet naman. See, I have 3 flowers now. Look. Yeah. Which one did you give me? Which one?
I gave you 2.
Ah. Yeah, you gave. Ate gave me 2. Atticus gave me 1, the purple one. Oh, 'di ba? Ang so sweet ng ating mga apo. Ano? Dito tayo. The trail. Ayun. Oh, ay. Ay, ang cute naman ng cat. Look at that cat. Oh, ayun, oh. Kulay gray. Wow. Oh, ayan ang aming model.
Sister,
Ah.
wait. I'm trying to figure out where I can put this.
Stay there.
Ayan, oh. Which direction? No, karinta mo? Ano? Yan ang ating pinupuntahan. No, Karin? This way. This way. Yeah.
Hold my flower.
Wow, thank you.
Hold my flower. I'm just putting them in your hand so you can.
Yeah,
hold them.
see, I have
But the
4
purple
now.
one- The purple one is just mine. I just put it in your hand so I don't have to carry it because
Okay. Oh, I can hear
I
Atticus.
can hear
Atticus is like calling us.
Oh, he's on the other side.
Look at this flower. Ayan. So, ito tayo. Wow. Ano, enjoy. Enjoy na enjoy ang mga kiddos. Nakakatuwa dito kasi ang dami mo makikitang mga bulaklak. Ano. Siguro lalo na nung spring kasi ngayon summer na. So, nag-dry up na itong mga itong mga ibang plants. Pero nung nung spring, grabe ang ganda-ganda siguro nito. Yeah. Carry me. Naku, napagod na. Napagod na si Atticus. Are you tired? Are you tired? Oh, whose birthday is it? Happy birthday, Daddy. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's Daddy's birthday soon. No ka rin tam. Kene. What's this? Oh, rattlesnakes. Maybe found this in this area. Oh. Ayan. So, ayan o, ang daming. May mga tao na rin pala dun, oh. May mga tao na pala dun. Yeah. Yeah, happy birthday, Daddy. Ano? May mga tao na dun sa pupuntahan natin. What? There is. Ayan eh. Pakinggan mo lang yung mga sound. Relaxing sound. Oh, ang daming mga cactus dun, oh. Cacti. Ayun. Yeah.